Hey dude, have you heard about the savanification of the Amazon forest? What do you mean? All the monkeys of the world are going to be without food, without home? Yeah?
Wait, and what do you say about the sea ice melting?
Hey, wait. Before everybody loses their minds, first we have to understand why all these changes are happening.
Okay, well, you know what? Let me tell you a story about tipping points. Shall we start? The ecosystems are exposed and can endure gradual changes in environmental conditions, meaning that ecosystems are not static. The way an ecosystem responds to any kind of change depends on several factors, including their resilience. Resilience is the capacity of a system to observe disturbance and reorganize while undergoing change so as to still retain essentially the same function, structure, identity, and feedbacks. For example, here we have two ecosystems, one with high resilience and another with low resilience. If an ecosystem is highly resilient, the slope in the ecosystem is steep. It will stand high perturbation and also the return from perturbation is high. But if the resilience is low, the slope is not steep. In fact, it's almost flat. Therefore, it will take longer time to recover from perturbation and little perturbation may affect it easily.
Picture yourself in lake ecosystem. This ecosystem is in certain state, characterized by clear water condition. This ecosystem is stable, meaning that if we introduce with disturbance, the ecosystem will go back to the initial condition. If environmental conditions change, for example, increase nutrient content, this may change how this ecosystem responds to disturbance. Introduction, the possibility of second steady state. In this example, the second stable state is turbid lake with high algae biomass. Under this environmental condition, only a very large disturbance can cause the ball to roll from one stable state to another. So the system is resilient to disturbance. If environmental conditions change further, it becomes easier to go to one another. Now, only a minor disturbance can already push the ecosystem from clear lake condition to turbid condition state. Further changing environmental condition might even remove the possibility of clear water state altogether. Close to tipping point, the system is resilient. In order to restore the state with increasing vegetation, the environmental now need to reduce much nutrient than it was before the shifting occur. So we should be careful with changing and disturbing our ecosystem.
Some Earth systems are ticking time bombs, close to the edge of major changes because of the rising temperatures. And if we push them a little bit further at a certain point, they could change dramatically no matter what we do afterwards. Luckily, we are still on time and it is possible to get these Earth systems back to their previous stable state. However, tipping points change the way we think about climate risk. Therefore, the strategies for sustainable management of ecosystems should focus on maintaining resilience.